This creamy yogurt parfait is layered with juicy blueberries, sweet bananas, and crunchy granola, and finished with a cloud of whipped cream and a cherry on top. Let's make it together. Start by adding a quarter cup of yogurt to the parfait glass. Use plain or flavored yogurt, your choice. Then add a quarter cup of blueberries. You can use frozen or fresh. Now add a quarter cup of finely chopped banana pieces. You know we love hearing from you, so please leave a comment. Then add the remaining quarter cup of yogurt. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. Top with 3 tablespoons of granola. We used Quaker Harvest Crunch granola cereal. Garnish the parfait with a generous dollop of whipped cream, ready-made or home whipped, and a cherry on top. And there it is, a homemade yogurt parfait. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.